Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of As a Villain Heroine, I Become a Yandere Heroine. Chapter 58, so here it is. Let's read the story. I like to eat first, the layer of the sweetness. Now the princess told them, well, looking at hers, Xiaoyang, she received the sweet cake gave by the princess. She was looking at hers, said to her, thanks. But, for Starchu, look for the clues outside. I also check here to see if there are any clues. But, has anything strange happened recently? Now, she was asking, look Hira, but Hira said, strange, is it? The princess said, why would you ask so? Now, the two of them seems to be curious. Well, for the princess, maybe she don't know anything about this. For Hira, well, maybe she does. Stardust said because it happened before the dance. It seems that there are indicators behind it. Identities of the two of you. It's very special. If there's an instructor, it's more likely to be the two. Oh, it really makes sense. Singlu, please don't worry. There's no strange things happening around us. The princess assuring her. But Starju said, thanks, but why? Now, she's been curious also. But took Hira, although it's very embarrassing to say, but I like Miss Singlu said. Because our identity is special. Problems occurs around us. It means that the matter is very serious. Hira, well, it really makes sense to her. If there is no newcomer, is that a person always in the mansion? Now, Starju, she was thinking about it again. Has the people of the Duke's mansions ever changed? Now she got curious again. Jacqueline prefers the best food. It should be right. They had been here since before my father inherited the title. So it turns out Jacqueline is working on the mansions long time ago. But now, I really got worried. What about Miss Jacqueline? She looks the same as us. Oh, because Jacqueline, she was young and also beautiful like them. Maybe that's why she's been alerted. But Starjo, I haven't been involved in her drawing and I can't know her specific settings. At the time when the family held a banquet, Giseline came to work. It was slandered by the other nobles as a thief. Well, that must be really tough for her. Although it was finally clarified, the other party not only did apologize but also said that it was a ship civilians have a face of the thieves. Don't blame them. Look, Hira said to them. Well, she got really worried. Now, Starju, she really wanted to calm her down and said, good girl, good girl. Now she's trying to calm down. Look, Hira, so she will not become suspicious. Well, what a great deal it is. It was also the first acquaintance of Hira and Charles was the only one who supported her at the time. The princess said to them, he was later punished by his father for disrupting the order of the banquet and cried. Now the princess is explaining. After that, His Highness Miller became more determined to bring a fair system to the people. Isn't he very handsome? Well, Star just said, ah. Hira, she was blushing. Miss Singlu must have understand the feeling of being suddenly hit by a gravity magic at a certain point in my heart. Well, definitely. She was thinking hard on what she's gonna do next. For Starju, she is really bubbly and said, it seems it was never. Oh, finally, she's going to calm down. Well, let's see on what will happen next, since she looks really decided. How could it be? Yes, that's right. After all, everyone's emotional experience should be different. Little Hira has grown up, the princess said to Hira. But Hira, since she was blushing, how does Miss Singlu feel? Well, she was always get fond on Singlu. Well, to Kira, she must really falling in love with her. Well, it's looked like it, right? But for Starjo right now, the feeling of dying. Oh, she was visioning that Xiaoyang is an artist and Wu's painting. Now it really makes sense to her. Well, for Dukira and the princess, they both seems to be surprised. When we first met, she was my savior. Well, definitely this two girl, they're really acting like a cute. Look at their face. Suddenly, the two of them got fussed. Because of her presence, most of the difficulties and encountered at the time were being solved. The performance reveals or something. Oh, still, she was still questioning herself. Well, Starju, she was really eager. Later, as we got to know each other, I also felt that she was very nice, gentle, and kind, and a very good person. She was like a beacon, like a star. Now she really can see the face of Xiaoyang. I like her, but more of a responsibility. Well, it seems that she was really becoming emotional. Looking at Xiaoyang, she was looking of Duke Hira's face. Also, she was eating sweets. Miss Xinglu said this wouldn't Miss Xiangyang well be angry. It was getting late. That they're having right now is becoming more lively. But later we separate for a while and we met again. I went to the world of cultivations and we stayed here. The conversation is really getting deeper. Well, let's see on what will happen since I have to change a lot. If I miss Hira thinks that liking someone is like being hit by the hard magic. Well, this thing, it was really getting serious. And Dukhira, she was really listening to the two of them. Star just said my feeling towards her is more like, oh, is she really going to reveal it? Well, let's see. It seems that she is getting braver. Remembering everything that happened in the past, of course, it was really closely related. But it's like that the two of them are really meant for each other. That kind of thing in the past, of course, it's getting into the flashback. It makes sense on that time. Xiaoyang, she falls in love with Starju. Back then, the two of them falls on the ground. Come on, because of you? Well, definitely. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.